Hello and welcome to my digital portfolio. My name is Daniel Field, and here you will find a showcase of my greatest achievements, academics, and interests. The goal of this portfolio is that after you view it, you'll have a better understanding of me professionally and personally. Of course, I've also included the links to several of my social media pages for more information. So about me, again, my name is Daniel Field, and I'm a senior at Stony Brook University, and I'm a business major with a specialization in marketing. I grew up locally in Smithtown and attended Hauppauge School District. My future plans are I'm graduating in May of 2018, and I plan to attend graduate school next spring, 2019, and I plan to continue my specialization in marketing throughout my graduate studies. Okay, and here's my resume. My professional resume is included. All my information's up here. And I've included my education, some of my academic achievements, my work experience, some of the academic projects I've completed and participated in, and of course some skills that I've acquired over my years in work and in education. Okay, for extracurriculars, I'm a member of the National Society of Collegiate Scholars. That's a national organization that gets members involved in their communities by participating in service activities that help establish them as leaders and prepare them for their future careers and future goals. And it's another way to build connections with highly motivated individuals who are also share similar future goals and aspirations. Here I also have some charity work that I've completed. I've played music is very important to me. I've played trumpet since 4th grade, since I was ever able to, and I still play a little bit. I've had some achievements in high school. I competed in the New York State School Music Association Festival for 4 years. A couple other interests are just sports and outdoor activities, particularly baseball. I played that for over 12 years until the end of high school. And then for academics, my academic highlights, at the end of May, I will be earning my bachelor's degree in business management, and I will be graduating with about a 3.7 GPA. And I've also been on the Dean's List every semester so far at Stony Brook from the fall of 2014 till last fall of 2017. Here's some achievements from my experiences. I got 2nd place in advertising at the Huntington Township Chamber of Commerce 10th Annual Business Leadership Competition. That was a competition that required us to create an advertising campaign for a specific product. We did advertising for Xbox, and our presentation was received very well by the judges. Next, I earned 1st place in my Business 330 Business Principles of Finance classes Zoom simulation. This was a Zoom simulation that assessed our ability to manage 4 financial functions of a company, including production, sales, marketing, and finance. I've also included some of my relevant coursework that I've completed throughout my years at Stony Brook. I included examples from different functions of business to show some of the various the functions that I've taken classes in and some of the different experiences that I've had. And I'll show you an example of that now. So this is a marketing research project that I completed. We did some of the basic functions of every market research project. We had our objectives, our questions. We administered a survey to students, recorded their responses, and calculated them through Excel. Here's just some of the statistics that we found out, some of the questions that we asked, some of the results we got. And yeah, of course, feel free to look further in depth to this project and some of the other projects on my portfolio. And lastly, I have my work history listed here. I worked at Ace Hardware for 4 years. I became a senior sales associate. I trained new employees on both the register and and how to run the floor and how to do the floor services. And then in November, November 2017, I switched to El Trio restaurant. I'm a server there, and I'm currently still working there. So now I'm going to show you some of my social media pages. That's about everything from my digital portfolio. I hope you found everything that I showed you insightful, and please again feel free to look further into it and review all the links that I have posted. Okay, so first we'll do my Twitter. So this is my Twitter page. I've got my bio here, shows my major and my specialization. I'm constantly sharing and retweeting, posting content that is usually business or market related. I also post or share some guides to help advance, for college students that may help them in their studies. Yeah, I really like Twitter because there's so many different pages and individuals that are constantly tweeting relevant content that can really help you in your career and future. And then I'll show you my LinkedIn page. LinkedIn is also a very important tool I use. It's probably my favorite tool because it allows me to connect with employers and colleagues from different business function and provides me with different career opportunities for my future. And some of the things I put on my LinkedIn are my work experience, some skills that I have, all the business courses that I've completed from Stony Brook. Okay, and lastly is my Facebook page. This page is still a work in progress. I'm trying to get more content, business content on here, but I am following new pages and liking new individuals that provide me with the content that is relevant to my brand.